morning. Just making some breakfast. Today we're having
Good afternoon, everyone. It's currently 2:20 p.m. on a Wednesday afternoon. This is probably going to be the second video because I just spent part of the morning editing the first 2 days, and I think I'm probably just going to do 2 days per video. So welcome back to my channel. If you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe. Button should be somewhere around here. So because it's in the afternoon already, brief recap of the morning. We kind of just did some studying. Like I said, I edited some videos. Yeah, kind of just being studious students. And now we're getting ready since we're hungry. We're gonna go and make our baking thing of the day. So I guess I'll just tell you guys what it is now. It is blackberry lemon poppy seed muffins. Unfortunately, we were not able to purchase any poppy seeds yesterday, so it's just going to be blackberry lemon muffins, which should be just as great. And don't worry guys, if any of you are interested in recreating any of our masterpieces, I will link the recipes in the info box below. Alright, so see you guys soon! I've lost track of wherever our cupcake liners are, but thank God Louise had some. The workout of the day.
sure, yeah.
What are you doing right now, Janie?
I am creaming the butter and the sugar.
Oh. I say, if you plan to bake, always make sure to leave your butter out before you actually...
And your eggs.
And your eggs, so they're at room temp instead of having to microwave like we did.
Okay, this is much more promising than the cookies.
Right?
Cookies were not very promising.
This citron honey tea syrup. We're gonna add it to our makeshift batter. How much should I add?
Let's start with, like, yeah, that's probably.
It is time to put them in again. Okay, I'm gonna stop.
Open this one because she's not exactly. Oh, we didn't grease the paper.
That's fine, whatever.
It's not gonna come out pretty.
Just can't we just give them out like this?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, pretty good.
Which one did you get?
Definitely the one with the citrus in it.
Oh yeah? I think I got the regular one.
You can tell there's citrus in this one, yeah. Okay, so I don't know if they're gonna hear this. Okay, so now that we've made our muffins, we are going to do part 2 of surprising our house building mate, Kenjamin. So today's idea is a knock knock ditch. Knock knock ditch. So we're going to knock knock, leave that on his doorstep like we were supposed to do on Monday, and then ditch, and hopefully we can capture his video reaction. All right, just do it. He's all ready. So that happened. Angela's not very good at filming. I was just really afraid he was gonna see the camera. We'll do better tomorrow. Let's go home. Hang my head in shame. Bye, Kenjamin. Hello, good afternoon. It is currently 1:48 p.m. on Wednesday afternoon. Once again, I forgot to charge the camera last night, so we don't really have content from the morning because I was too busy charging the camera. Although I don't think you would have wanted to see it anyways because Jeannie and I didn't get out of bed until 10 a.m. Louise was being super productive, so we're gonna have a couple of clips of her being productive. Albeit it will be from the afternoon. And we have decided to bake scones today. The recipe we wanted to do was a lavender Earl Grey scones, but we don't have any lavender, so it's just gonna be kind of Earl Grey-ish scones. We made an appointment with Ken, so we're going to bake the scones with Ken, so hopefully we'll get some screen time with him as well. Although he is a little bit worried that he might become too famous if he's on screen for too long, so we'll see how long he can actually maintain his presence on screen. But yeah, enjoy some clips of us being super productive, and then hopefully we'll get going with the baking. And we're a little worried because it seems like it's going to be a bit of a more difficult and tedious recipe, but hopefully things work out. Yeah, okay, enjoy.
Yeah, anyone can do it, remember?
Oh yeah?
Did you see that? No, I said it, but... The butter, yeah, into the flour. And then it does some sort of thing, I don't know. Oh, we have to knead it.
A little worried because it seems like it's going to be a bit of a more difficult and tedious recipe, but hopefully things work out.
Is it on the cold?
This is over kneaded dough. This part.
Oh.
She needs something.
She needs sweetness.
She needs butter. Like a cream would be better than a glaze, I think.